Hi, welcome to Sheltering with Swami. I'm Swami Chaitanya.
And I'm Nikki Lastreto, and today is actually Sunday, April 19th, and April 19th is Bicycle Day.
And why is it called Bicycle Day?
Because it's the day that Albert Hofmann discovered the benefits and the wonderful benefits of LSD.
Well, he discovered it by accident, you see, because he had made the first formula maybe 5 or 6 years before he actually discovered it. And that was the discovery was in April of 1943, which happens to be just the same year as I was born. And in April, I was born a month later. So I do have this strange connection with LSD somehow or other. But anyway, Hoffman was looking at this LSD 25 on the shelf and said, well, maybe I should look at that again. So he mixed up a preparation, got some on his fingers, touched his face, shades of Corona. But anyway, this time it was LSD. And then he gets on his bicycle to drive home because he was feeling a little weird. And on the way home, all of a sudden, he's like full-on coming, psychedelic stuff. And so then he went back to work the next day, and at that point decided, I better try this stuff out. And that's what I find is back the most amazing. I mean, that is sheer bravery. And so he then dosed himself with 250 micrograms of LSD and had a wonderful trip. And so that set the basic. That's a little more than the party dose, right? But
the party doses are like 125 usually, I think. So but 250 is good. I mean, in the old days, we used to do up to 500.
400 or 500 was a pretty regular dose. And you knew that something had changed at that point. So anyway, you owe it to Albert Hofmann. But I have a personal story where I met him at a party around 2000 or 2001, something like that, in Switzerland. He was giving, he wasn't giving a party. Goa Gil, my dear friend, our dear friend, who's a fantastic psytrance DJ, was having a big party up in the mountains.
In fact, I was just dancing to some Goa Gil music this morning. He has a new CD out called Mahadev, and it's great.
Well, he's a great devotee of Shiva, and he's also a Mahant in the Junakara order, known as Mangalanand Puri. But he's quite a great friend of ours and an amazing DJ. So anyway, he was playing up in the mountains of Switzerland. In the background, we could see, I can't remember, it was the Matterhorn or Jungfrau, one of those famous mountains. And all through the night, I'm saying, is there any acid around? Everybody says, well, wait till morning, wait till morning. Hoffman will be here. I said, what do you mean? So finally in the morning, Albert Hoffman shows up.
Oh, and also you want to say that in Switzerland and Europe, don't they call acid Hoffman?
Yeah, a lot of times they just call it, hey, you got any Hoffman, right? Hoffman. So anyway, I'm taking a lot of hashish all night, smoking bowls and so on. But finally around just after sunrise, and Gil, of course, is thump, thump, thump going. And so I walk over and I say hello to Dr. Hoffman, and he says, I'm the father of LSD. I say to him, yes, I know, and thank you very much. And so then I shake his hand, and we kind of realize after a second or two that we're actually dancing to Goa Gil, thump, thump, thump. And so at that point, we just sort of look at each other and crack up laughing, and that was just like wonderful, just like, wow, that's what acid does for you. And so then he went and then hung out with Gil in the DJ booth and so on. So
and he lived a few more years until how old?
That was 96. I think he lived to about 101,
right?
and he was. But I think he said that was one of his last trips on that very day. So I'm quite an honor to share that with Dr. Hoffman, and homage to him and what he's brought to this world. And that's what Bicycle Day is all about.
Yeah. So I hope you're enjoying Bicycle Day wherever you are.
But remember, tomorrow, when you'll probably be watching this, is 420, and that is
Cannabis Day.
Cannabis holiday, international holiday for cannabis. And of course, you all know also that April being 420 in the United States, it's a whole month of 420. So here we are sheltering and under lockdown and so on, and best time to enjoy your cannabis and, smoke it or eat it, however you want to take it. It's just all there for our health and for our raising our consciousness. What are you laughing at?
I'm just thinking about the LSD. Oh. Okay, we love you all. And
well, I used to talk about cannabis as kind of being the everyday LSD.
It is.
Because it alters your mind,
That's right.
And you can still carry on. But it is a way of looking at the world that definitely changes. So, anyway,
blessings.
Blessings, and Om Namah Shivaya, and happy Bicycle Day, and very much happy 420.